Hey guys, it's Ashley from Not a True Reviews, and today I'm unboxing Mommy Mailbox. It's been so long since I've done this one. They've been sold out the past few months, so reviewers haven't been getting boxes, which is awesome for them. So I'm super pumped. If you do not know of Mommy Mailbox, I have unboxed it before, but if you haven't seen any of those, this is a monthly treat for mom. Each box contains 4 to 6 items curated by a different mom blogger or mom influencer. The boxes are themed, and pretty much, though, the premise of the box is to just send nice things that you would like just homewares, makeup, skincare, jewelry, snacks, just like nice stuff to treat yourself. Each box is a $55 to $85 value. They're only $33.95 a month. I'm going to link down below to them with my affiliate link. I'll also link to my full review, so you can check that out if you're interested. I don't know the theme. I don't know anything. I don't know. It's still sealed. Look, it's sealed. All right. This is the February box. This is Enjoy and is curated by Tiffany Barry. A salty mom of 3 girls. Is she like salty, like angry? I don't know the other way. And then on the back, so there she is. And then the back, it lists each of the items included. She looks like she's fun. She's got some tattoos and stuff, so maybe this will be a little more edgy. Not sure, just a guess. Maybe not. I don't know. All right, so first we have rose gold bobby pins. Ooh, how pretty are those? They're from the Stash collection. We've received jewelries. Girl, what are you saying? Jewelry from them before. All right, then we have ooh, look at you. This is a Melville Candy Chocolate Lover Strawberry Lollipop. So it looks like this is almost hard candy. You don't want to squish it. And then it's dipped in chocolate. That's fun. All right. Then we've got some, ooh, my goodness. So these are from Go Vino. These are 8-ounce shatterproof flutes. So they are, it's like a champagne flute, but they're stemless. And they're like plastic. So you could take these with you places. Do they have like a little indentation? It looks like they do. Like for your finger. Yeah, they have like little thumb. They're like ergonomic or whatever, which is really cool. I will definitely use this. I love like Prosecco, and I just love alcohol. Anyway. All right, so I'm so excited. I did see this spoiler. Now I'm remembering it. I forgot. So this is from Laritzi Cosmetics, who is a cruelty-free vegan cosmetic line. And this is the new nude eyeshadow palette. So this is an actual full palette. I don't know the retail value. It's not on the card, but I'm going to look that up if you're curious. I'm just so excited. Oh my gosh. Look at the case. Look at the rose gold. All right. So here we have it. It is a nude. It's like a totally nude. It is like perfect too. Like for me, like this is what I would pick myself. All right. So it looks like one of the little things came out. All right, so let's swatch them. You want to swatch them? It looks like the little pans are lifting. That's concerning. All right. So we'll start down here with this like berry color. Ooh. There, it looks like there's 1, 2, 3 shimmers, and then like some those satiny colors. Not a matte and not a, this color right here is gorgeous. That's right there. I like that. I'm not gonna swatch them all. I'll swatch them in my review if you're interested. As I continue. Like this color here is really pretty. And I think, let's see. This one here, it's a pretty color in the pan, but I think it's too close to my own skin tone to make the kind of a, see, now that's what I was worried about. I don't have anything to wipe my hand on. Now I've got to pause the video. Okay, I'm back. So that's really cool. We got a full-size palette. That's a nice thing. A nice thing to receive. Something I like. All right, so then I think there's one more thing in here. I don't know what it is. Oh, a wine bottle bag. Oh, so This is like a very romantic, I think the whole point here with this box is very romantic. You're traveling with your wine, you're going out on a date for Valentine's Day. You got these, you got this cool bag. This isn't just for wine bottles, though. You could totally put a bottle of liquor in there. That's where my mind goes. But I love like how it all came together. And if you are going out on a date, you want to look your best with your little new palette, which is really cool. So if you're interested in Mommy Mailbox, I'll link to them below. I'll also link to my full review if you're interested in that. As always, thank you guys so much for watching. I'll see you next time.